Hello, in front of me I've got Honor X6. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change between light and the dark mode. We can enable auto switch for dark mode, and in more dark mode settings we can darken the wallpaper in dark mode. Then we can change display brightness level manually or via automatic brightness. Next, we can change color temperature between default, warm and cool. And we can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds, 10 minutes or never. Next, we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, adjust it and schedule it. Then we can enable or disable eBook mode, next we can change text and display size. We can bold font, change font, and in more display settings we can enable full screen display for apps, hide notch in apps, enable display carrier name in status bar, and display network speed in status bar. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.